Hello friends, today I am starting a very important part of the cardiovascular system is electrocardiogram ECG. What is a ECG? ECG is a graphic recording of the electric changing that occurs within the heart during the cardiac cycle. In my previous video I already discussed about that cardiac cycle. The ECG records the electric signals from your heart to check the different heart condition. Electrodes are placed on your chest to record your heart electrical signals which cause your heart to beat, and the signals are shown as wave on the attached computer monitor or printer. Electrocardiograph. This machine is used to record the electric activity of the heart. This is called the electrocardiograph. Means ECG record the electric activity of your heart, and the ECG machine detect tiny electrical signals that make your heart pump blood around your body, and the ECG machine does not put any electricity into your body. The significance of the ECG. ECG is a simple non-invasive tool to assist in the diagnosis of the heart disease. It is a primary tool to diagnose of the acute myocardial infarction. However, the other clinical condition, both cardiac and the non-cardiac originated pathologies, may result in ECG tracing of AMI. And firstly, it diagnoses the severity condition, complications and associated condition. So, this is the significance of ECG. Now, ECG paper. For ECG, one paper is used, is called the ECG paper. It is a long roll of paper composed of small squares. One square is 1 mm wide and 1 mm height. On ECG paper, there are thick lines. Between the two thick lines, there are 5 small squares. The speed of ECG machine is 25 mm per second. The time interval of each small square can be calculated as 25 small squares are equal to 1 second and 1 small square is equal to 1 upon 25 second. That is a 0.04 second. And vertically, the small square represent the amount of the electrical potential, and the 1 small square represent the potential of 0.1 MV, and the 10 small square represent the potential of 1 MV. This is the ECG paper. The 5 mm equal to 0.5 MV and the 1 mm equal to 0.04 second and 5 mm equal to 0.20 second. Now ECG leads. The leads are electrodes which record the electric potential of the heart at a different sites. There are 12 ECG leads. The 3 bipolar limb leads and 3 augmented limb leads and unipolar leads and the 6 chest leads. The now Ethiopian's triangle. It is a triangle, a diagrammatic way of illustrating that the two arms and the left leg from the apices of the triangle surrounding the heart. It is in the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle के फॉर्म में वो प्रेजेंट होता है. तो Ethiopian's law state that if the electrical potential of two leads are known at any instant, the third can be determined by the simply summing the first two. Now we discuss the waveforms of the ECG. ECG paper में waveforms present होते हैं. You can see in the ECG paper on the screen. The first is a P wave, then QRS wave, T wave and U wave. Now we discuss the different waves meaning. The P wave is a atrial depolarization. It represents the electrical depolarization of the artery of the heart and typically a small positive deflection from the isoelectric baseline that occurs just before the QRS complex. Now QRS complex represents the electric impulse as it is spread through the ventricles and indicates the ventricular depolarization. As with the P wave, the QRS complex starts just before the ventricular contraction. The next wave is T wave. T wave is a ventricular repolarization, and this way is the most labile wave in the ECG, and T wave changes including the low amplitude and the abnormally inverted T wave may be result of the many cardiac and the non-cardiac condition. And the normal T wave is usually in the same direction of the QRS except in the right precordial leads. Means we can say that represent the typically ventricular repolarization. The next is U wave. That one is unknown. The next we discuss the electrophysiology. If an electrode is placed so that wave of the depolarization is spread towards the recording electrodes and the ECG record a positive, means upward deflection. If wave of depolarization is spread away from the recording electrodes, a negative or downward deflection occur. And electrophysiology study is a test performed to assess your heart's electrical system or activity and used to diagnose the abnormal heartbeats or the arrhythmia. The test is performed by the inserting the catheters and then wires electrodes which measure the electrical activity through the blood vessel that enter the blood. The next is ECG helps to know. We can see that the heart rate, rhythms, axis, wave morphology, intervals in the segment analysis, chamber enlargement, specific change we can see through the ECG. Now we discuss the heart rate. Is the rate of heartbeat, pulse is actually called the heart rate, which is the number of time heart beats each minute. In the some type of the cardiovascular disease, the heartbeat or the pulse rate can differ. You can see in the picture the ECG formation of heart rate. The next important term we discuss in the ECG, arrhythmia. The rhythm refers to the regularity or spacing of the ECG waves. Any variation from the normal rhythm and sequence of the excitement of the heart is termed as the arrhythmia. Or simply we can say that the abnormal rhythm of the heart is called the arrhythmia. Different types of arrhythmia cause the heart to beat too fast, too slow or in irregular pattern. It is the arrhythmia. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.